Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you an incredibly handy trick for anyone analyzing charts on TradingView. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to quickly and confidently invert any chart, which can help you see trends and patterns from a totally new perspective. This can be a game changer for technical analysis, whether you're day trading, investing for the long term, or just trying to spot something others might miss. Alright, let's not waste any time, let me walk you through it step by step. First things first, head over to TradingView. If you don't already have it open, just pop open your web browser and go to TradingView.com. Once you're there, you might need to log in if you're not already. Remember, TradingView works both on free and paid accounts, so no worries if you're not using the pro version. Now, once you're on the TradingView homepage, it's time to choose the chart or product you want to analyze. Look for the Products section. This is where you'll find all sorts of instruments like stocks, forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, or even indices. Just search for the asset you're interested in and open its chart. Let's say, for example, you're looking at the S&P 500 or maybe Bitcoin. Just click on it and the detailed chart should load up. You'll see the big visual price graph along with various options and tools. At this point, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the data grid. That's the area on the chart page where most of your controls live. It's easy to overlook, but there's a small settings gear icon nestled down there. Go ahead and click on that. If you're new to TradingView, don't worry if you haven't noticed this menu before. It's a powerful spot, letting you control how your chart looks and behaves. Once you've opened the settings, you'll see a variety of customization options pop up. What we're looking for here is the Invert Scale option. What Invert Scale does is literally flip your entire price chart upside down, so price movements that were going up now look like they're going down and vice versa. This can really help you break out of mental ruts or biases. It's almost like looking at the market through a new lens, helping to spot head and shoulders patterns, double tops, or double bottoms that you might otherwise miss. So in the Settings menu, simply select Invert Scale. The chart will update in real time, flipping everything on its head. This might look a little strange at first, but take a moment and you'll start to notice how some patterns really do pop out differently when you view them this way. Now there's a super quick shortcut for this too. Just press Alt and I on your keyboard at the same time. That's Alt plus the letter I for invert. If you're someone who likes to move fast or experiment frequently, this shortcut can save you a lot of clicking. And honestly, that's all there is to it. You've inverted your chart on TradingView. Take a few moments to explore, try it on a few different assets, and see what you notice. Sometimes a flipped chart can reveal new insights or give you second thoughts about a trade. Don't worry if it feels a bit odd at first. With a little practice, this tool can become second nature. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving the video a like and drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you want to share how inverting the scale helped you spot something new. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more practical TradingView tips, trading strategies, and how-to guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.